This is question 2 in the brain and neuropsychology topic, and the question says, the central nervous system consists of which of the following? Shade one box only for 1 mark. And the options are A, the brain and the spinal cord, B, the nerves and the ganglia, C, the sensory receptors and effectors, or D, the sympathetic and parasympathetic systems. So it's specifically asking you about the central nervous system and asks you to shade only 1 box. If you shade more than 1 box, then you're not going to get any marks. So the best way to do this is to think about each of the options and think them through in your head. So the brain and the spinal cord, so that could be a possibility. So thinking about your diagram of the central nervous system and thinking about what that is divided up into, that could be the brain and the spinal cord. B, nerves and ganglia, so thinking about the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is actually made up of groups of neurons, which are the ganglia, and bundles of axons, which are the nerves. Could that be part of the central nervous system? C, the sensory receptors and effectors. So sensory receptors are the nerve endings that are found in the sensory organs, and effectors are the nerve cells that are responsible for the response. So again, is that part of the central nervous system? And then D, the sympathetic and parasympathetic systems. So thinking about the sympathetic and parasympathetic systems, that's the parts that are responsible for the fight-flight response, and those are both part of the autonomic nervous system. So going through each of them, it should make you come to the conclusion that the answer is A, the brain and the spinal cord.